I'm sorry guys, trying to get in the habit like these YouTubers to record everything I do in this garden or whatever they're doing. Right now I had some potatoes in here and they weren't really growing right. So I pulled them out of here and I'm gonna put them in here because a lot of them died. So I'm just trying something new. I'm gonna put all the potatoes in here and let them root up the little tiny ones, because there seems to be a lot of little ones that are left. The dead plant, it left a lot of little ones. So I'm just gonna put all these little ones in here and let them root up, you know. And then if I have to, replant them in something bigger. Right now I'm just gonna put them in here and let them continue to root. There's another little one. Oh, yes. Maybe something ate it. But yeah, so we're gonna put all this soil to use because it wasn't getting used at all, because those potatoes were in there a while dead and leaving these little tiny little babies in here. Make sure I get all these babies out, little tiny potato babies. There's another one, you see? Before it died, it left a bunch of these tiny little ones. Bunch of tiny little ones. So I don't know, maybe it wasn't dead then, I don't know. But I'm still gonna take all these babies out of here and plant them in that bucket there and use this for something else. Not quite sure what yet. This is turmeric. I've been needing to get this out of here too. Turmeric, however you say it. Let's get that up out of here. Turmeric. So, this is a pretty decent size, so put it in here. This is just a weed. This was I guess I got a lot of stuff dying. Well, the little baby stuff, I got a lot of them dying. This was avocado. So I don't really know if this is dead or not. It looks dead to me. So I'm gonna pull it up out of here and put it in something else. There's a lot of moisture in there. But anyways, yeah, this was an avocado. I don't know if it's dead or not. I think I'll just replant this. Replant this. Something smaller. Maybe it'll come. Oh, yeah, maybe it'll come back. I don't know. Just hope for the best. I'll keep it there. Let's see if we got any stupid just dirt in this thing here.